हेलो दोस्तों, मैं हूं आपका मेडिकल सर्जन रायबान, योर बेसिक दोस्त। मैं आई डेस्टिनेशन वैशाली नगर जयपुर में, और आज हम बात करने वाले हैं रेबैन रीमिक्स। रेबैन रीमिक्स यानी कस्टमाइज कर सकते हैं हमारे अपने रेबैन ग्लासेस अपने हिसाब से। Let's understand from the brand manager. We have Mr. Puneet Sharma with us here today, and he will be explaining us the Rayban Remix or Rayban Customs होता क्या है. तो पुनीत जी, first of all, welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you for sparing the time with us. तो जल्दी से अपन बात करते हैं और अपने लोगों को बताते हैं कि Rayban Customs, Rayban Remix, what is this concept?
Sir, everybody knows about this brand. It's the most popular brand in this world. You heard about Rayban. It has a high brand perceptions. Brand values are very high towards it. So what we have certain technologies associated with Rayban.
Okay.
It comes under a special projects. Okay. We have a Rayban Customs, Rayban Remix. Now you can customize your product according to your wills and wishes and with your loved ones.
तो आप कह रहे हैं कि I can create my own sunglass?
Yes, sir.
Wow, that is good.
Now Rayban has association with you earlier also. Now you can associate with your loved ones also. So there are certain feelings can be associated with Rayban. So you can customize your product with your loved ones, with your friends.
तो इस कस्टमाइजेशन में अपन क्या-क्या चीजें कस्टमाइज कर सकते हैं?
Everything you can be customized.
Can you just show us?
Yes.
See what and all we can.
From lenses to frame, everything can be customized. So let's see how it can be done.
Okay, please.
So you can choose any of these.
Wow. So here we have few of the Rayban iconic models. So as usual, I would try
Aviator one.
Aviator को try करके देखते हैं कि हम इसमें क्या-क्या options customize कर सकते हैं. So let's have a look.
Okay. So there are certain models in that. You can customize out of these models and create it for your loved ones. ठीक है. As you have picked
I
up.
think most of the popular models are covered here.
Yes, all the popular model has been covered here. All iconic models covered here. All fashions model covered here. In iconic model, you have seen aviators, you have seen club masters, and you are seeing wayfarers has been covered over here. And if you talk about fashion, Jack is there. It's a more popular one. Meteor is there, and Street is there. So you can create it from iconic also, from fashion one also, from young ones also. From kids juniors is also there. Aviator junior also can be customized. Let us try for an aviators.
Yes.
So I am choosing the aviator.
Okay.
You can select the size out of it, what size you want. It comes in 3 sizes, 55, 58, 62. And for your face, I know it will going to be a 58.
Yes.
So now you can customize your lenses first. We need to customize our lenses first. So I'll click on the lenses.
You can customize the lenses first. Wow.
Okay. You can select the lenses out of these category. We have classic,
Nice. So can I
middle,
select?
and yes, you can select.
Let me try also. Wow. So as you can see, as I'm clicking here,
The color has been changing.
It's changing, and it gives me lot of options. I really like the silver mirror. So let's go ahead with this.
Silver. Now silver mirror comes under golden frame only, but in this case we can customize the frames also.
Achha.
So frame part can be customized. Out of these color, we can choose any color for the frame.
Wow.
So you can choose.
So this is like the shiny gold here. I can choose a matte one also. Okay, this looks cool. And a brown as well. So let me try this with the brown.
Now we have come changes our frame color. Now we can do with the tips also. Temple tips can also be changed according to your wish, according to the will.
So friends, temple tips basically means कि आपके जो कान के पीछे वाला जो part आता है उसको temple tips बोलते हैं. And sometimes people want to have choices in that as well. So can I choose?
Yes, you can choose.
So let me try this. I think ऐसे कलर की टिप्स मैंने देखी नहीं है Rayban में generally.
हाँ, this time either black and white are coming. So this one is new. Now the special part of customization has been coming.
Wow.
You can engrave your names or your loved one's name on the temple tip.
Wow.
Yes.
तो यानी हम नाम लिखवा सकते हैं जिसके लिए हम उसको गिफ्ट कर रहे हैं, खुद का नाम या कोई भी आपके आई थिंक मैरिज एनिवर्सरी,
Anything for your Valentine's ones, for your friends, for your children, for your everything can be done. So let's engrave. Engraving has 4 parts. We can do in external left, external right, because हम बाहर दोनों साइड हम लोग इसको एनग्रेविंग कर सकते हैं, एंड अंदर की साइड में भी दोनों साइड हम टेम्पल के एनग्रेविंग कर सकते हैं.
अंदर की तरफ और बाहर की तरफ दोनों तरफ हम इंग्रेविंग्स को जो है हम मैच कर सकते हैं. That is cool.
So you can write your name, anything if you want to try. Just give a
Okay,
try.
so I'll just quickly, probably from here, I'll select a italic font, and I would love to.
Meanwhile, you also change your fonts in this. There are 3 font size available. It's regular, italic, and bold.
Wow,
You can
you
choose.
can see here on the screen. The name is already there, and I can also change the font. So if I change the font, it changes also. So this
You can also select the emojis out of there. So certain emojis are there.
Okay.
You can also select.
Goes on internal right. I would love to probably place a heart. So I will write my.
So you can write your loved one's name over here.
Or I can also write 007.
Yeah, you can write.
I'm a James
Anything
Bond
can
fan.
be. Anything can be written. Anything can.
Wow.
So engraving can be done on the temples, and we have in customization we have certain cases we can choose from.
Okay.
So there are 3 case options available in it. We have
Let's
black
say-
one,
Okay. Sunglass cover also we can choose.
yeah,
Okay.
then brown one,
Okay.
then we have red one. Usually we provide the cases in only black and brown color,
Right.
but you can choose red over here
Yes,
also.
red is pretty new.
Yes.
So let's select the red one.
You can select the red
And
one.
can we write something on these cases also?
Yes. You can write your name or
Wow.
anything, your marriage anniversary, you can write anything. You
Okay.
can write on this if you want to try.
Okay, so probably let's try to write Villa. And I will write your name. Puneet.
Thank you, sir, for loving me.
So Puneet is going to gift me this Rayban remix today, and we are going to punch it.
Okay. So
दिल
this is,
तो अपन ने बना लिया पुनीत, but how would I know यार कि मेरे फेस पे लगता कैसे है?
you can choose it from try on them options we have in it.
Okay.
आप इस पे आपको ट्राई भी कर सकते हो कि ये प्रोडक्ट बनने के बाद आपके चेहरे पे लगेगा
Show me,
कैसा.
yeah.
Yes, I'll show you.
Let me try it.
There's a QR code over there. You can select from your phone. You can scan this QR code and you can try them on your phone only.
Oh.
So if you want to try कि मेरे loved ones को कैसा दिखेगा मेरे लगने पे, तो you can click the photos also in it and you can send it to your loved ones.
So if I can scan this QR code here. It sounds very interesting यार, because आजकल personalization का ज़माना है.
बिल्कुल,
People spend high end, मतलब lot of amount on.
In automobiles, customization is most popular. You can talk about
So
huh?
I think it started my camera. So what I need to do?
You just need to look at the camera only, so
Okay.
it will come.
I guess it's loading. Wow.
Yeah. So this can be done.
Wow, I can have even the side look also. Lovely.
You can take the photo also from here and you can send it to your loved ones.
Okay. Nice. So as you can see friends here, I have my customized Ray-Ban sunglasses on my face. Virtually I can try, which is pretty cool and pretty accurate. So I can also have an idea. हम देख भी सकते हैं कि वो हमारे बन के आने के बाद में चेहरे पे लगेगा कैसे. It's going to suit our skin tone or not. So this is amazing. तो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट सर लास्ट पार्ट पे हम आते हैं एंड लेट्स एंड दिस, क्योंकि प्राइस एक ऐसा इशू है जो सबके दिमाग में चलता है. तो इस पे अगर हम बात करते हैं तो कितना प्राइस का डिफरेंस आ जाता है. एक नॉर्मल एविएटर जो मैं ऑफ द शेल्फ लेता हूँ और मैं एक जो पर्सनलाइज्ड मैं एविएटर बनवाता हूँ, तो ऑन एन एवरेज कितना प्राइस का डिफरेंस आता है?
It's not hardly 500-700 रुपीस का जो डिफरेंस आता है वो आता है.
डोंट टेल मी यार, यू आर जस्ट किडिंग मी.
इतना ही डिफरेंस है. और
So just in the difference of 500 to 700 rupees, you can create your customized Ray-Ban remix options. And now you know what is the destination to have these customized Ray-Bans for you. That is I destination, Bapu Nagar and Vaishali Nagar. They are located at 2 locations in Jaipur. And this is for the first time this concept has been launched in Jaipur. So what are you waiting for? Now it is the time to get your favorite brand of Ray-Ban sunglasses, customized, personalized for yourself and for your loved ones. Thank you.